Sir, this area is dedicated to forest.
Which area?
So this this green portion.
Why are you leaving a forest here? Let's cut it down and make a building here. If you want a garden, make it on the rooftop.
Sir, we cannot cut the forest.
Why?
So because if we do that, Gayatri won't be happy with us.
Gayatri? Who is Gayatri?
I understand if you don't want this forest, but this is our only condition.
Just wait. Let's talk more. Tell me more about your project.
So sir, this is our forest plan.
At Akshara Vidyashram, students forge a deep and lifelong connection with the natural world. Akshara Vidyashram, beyond the syllabus.